Uthando Nesithembu teaches a lot of people, especially men. Men loves polygamy. Guys, polygamy is not an easy thing. And what I saw, polygamy is a calling sometimes. You understand? Because guys, it's so difficult now to Muzamseleku. He ended up in hospital. Even he's healthy. He looks like it's not normal nowadays. It's not the same. Even you look at his face, you understand? Just because we can see Uthando Nesithembu on TV, but behind the scene there is a lot of dramas. You understand? Because you can saw on the camera there is dramas on the camera, but there is a lot of dramas behind the scene. You understand? That's why Musamselekwi was admitted, because we don't know other dramas, what's happening on their home after shooting. You understand? Because Musamselekwi, he ended up in hospital, admitted in hospital. You understand? Uthando Nesithembu is not an easy thing. People, they think that I want many women, what. No, it's not an easy thing. Just because those women are independent, you understand? That's why they will provide for themselves. You understand? Because Musamselekwi, he can't provide for them, the four of them. Now it's five. You understand? That's why they have got program of Uthando Nesithembu Mnakwetu, just because they want extra money to feed those kids. You understand? To guys, to maintain their lifestyle. Just because guys, Uthando Nesithembu is not easy. Isthembu, people think, especially men, they think that it's easy. Guys, support. You understand? Because you are one man and you have five wives and they want to eat. You understand? But those women are independent, guys, and now they don't want trouble. That's why they don't want the fifth wife, just because Musamseleku, he can't provide for them. You understand? He can't provide for them, Musamseleku, and he ended up in hospital. Just because season 8, there is a lot of drama. There is a lot of drama. Even now, behind the scene, there is a lot of drama happening on Mseleku's family. You understand? There is a lot of drama. And Msamseleku now, he says Msamke she is the last wife, but he is going to lose other wives. Mangwabe, she is going. You understand? She is leaving the marriage. Maybe they are already divorced. We don't know. You understand?